Hello, it's Koko Cook's channel, and today I propose you to cook some hedgehog. This is what I have. Ooh la la. Now, I've seen many video recipes and I've been talking to some chefs. What they told me is, if you insert a couple of toothpicks inside the chicken before baking it, it will make it the most juiciest chicken ever. And I want to test it, and for this test, we have two chickens. One that looks like a hedgehog with the toothpicks, and another one is just a normal chicken with some seasoning on it. What did I do for the chicken with the toothpick, chicken number one? We shall see right here.
First thing first, we make a solution. 3 liters of water. We put 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, maybe a bit more. Then we add a bit of dried garlic and paprika. So we have 2 chickens. We take this bone and we put some toothpicks in it. And the second one, we're just gonna make a little slap on it.
I left it in a salty and sugary solution for about 6 hours, but you can leave it from 3 hours to, I would say, day, maybe 2 days. But leave it in a cold place then. And the more you leave it, the juicier chicken it will be. So far, if I touch the chicken breast, the part of the chicken with the most muscles, I can see a bit of difference. The one with the toothpicks, they're a bit softer. But let's try to bake it. Baking chicken is very easy. Basically, you send it for 160 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then the last 10 minutes you give the golden crust for it. So you raise the temperature and then you put the chicken from the lower level to the higher level. So let's do that.
I got 2 baby mamas here. What we have to do first, we have to take away the toothpicks.
And toothpicks, they suck a lot of liquid, and
Check if you can see the difference on the camera.
I can actually feel the difference. This one is tougher, this one is softer. Baking tray. So I'll put it to the lower level. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 on the lower level. 160 degrees, 15 minutes.
Just look at these 2 babies. They look beautiful. They look really good. Let's have them rest for about 5 minutes and then try them out.
Let's start. I mean, it's cooked, slightly dry. Let's see. It's okay. Baked chicken.
Oh, it's very different. Look, first of all, it's softer. And this one is tougher. It's also cooked. Look at this. Nice.
Let's try the chicken. First we'll try the chicken breast from normal recipe. It's good, nothing special to be honest. I mean, chicken breast is chicken breast, you know. Now let's try one where we use toothpicks. Man, hope you can see that. Already juicier. Wow. It's crazy good. Jesus. Now, the method with toothpicks is working, and it makes a huge difference. Now, in terms of the price, I mean, toothpicks, they don't cost that much. And what else you need there? Water. I use tap water. Salt, sugar, granulated garlic. Everything is relatively cheap, but it makes a huge difference. Now, I highly recommend you to try it back home. It's very easy to do, and it makes a huge difference. And of course, thank you very much for watching me. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, hit the like button and click subscribe somewhere here. And if you didn't like this video, hit dislike. That's it. And I will continue to do what I do. Thank you. Bye. Now we'll have a very nice dinner today. 2 chickens. 2 chickens is always better than a 1 chicken. Damn, it's so good. Probably one of the best chickens I ever tried. And I eat a lot of chicken breasts in my life. Jesus, I can't stop eating it. Okay, basta.